Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome back to the Maker's Cave. And today we're not building anything. I'm just going to let you know that today is June 8th, Thursday. So WonderFest is this weekend. We'll be arriving in Louisville, Kentucky around noon tomorrow on Friday. And on Saturday, after I get done looking at everything on the floor and all, we're going to have a little get together up in our suite. And if you happen to see me walking around the floor on Saturday day, I'll be wearing one of these shirts. I'll wear some kind of shirt that says Maker. They come on up and talk to me, and I'll tell you exactly where the our little soiree is. And you can stop up and see some things. Representatives from Agora Models are going to be there, as well as I believe World of Wayne is going to be stopping by, and some other YouTubers. But Agora is going to be there presenting or displaying some of their I think their current models and their up and coming models. So be sure to stop by and take a look at that. I'm really looking forward to hopefully meeting some of you guys out there at WonderFest. All I ever see is the camera and comments. I never get to see anybody face to face, so it'll be nice seeing all you guys face to face if anybody's going out there. Okay, till Saturday, this is Steve. I'll see you then.